In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your video in Clipchamp. So let's say that you have finished your edit, you're happy with it, and you're ready to go. So if you want to save it into Clipchamp itself, there's a box up here, you can just put the title in. So let's just say video. You can hit enter and that's going to save it into the, this is going to save it into the Clipchamp servers. Now if you want to be able to have a source file saved, you're going to need to upgrade, and this will also mean if you switch computers you'll be able to still access your work. But for now, if you want to access your file just on one computer, then this will not be needed. But beware, don't delete your stuff. So if you're ready with your video and it's all done, what you can do is you can come up to export here, and it's going to ask if you want to split up gaps. Now you might want to do that, go back and fix. I'm just going to click continue anyway. And here it's going to show you some different export options. So 480p, this is not great. This will be good if you're just trying to test it out. 720p, also not ideal. 1080p, that's high quality, that's HD, that's going to be good for YouTube. That's going to be the lowest you want to do if you're going on YouTube. And then 4K here, this is going to be really good, but maybe slightly overkill. And if you're going to want to export with this, you need to pay for this one. Now, there's also the GIF setting, and this is for videos under 15 seconds. So you can choose that. That's how you do it. Once you're ready, just click one of these, and it's going to start doing that. It will give you a link, and you can also save it to one of these places. That's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.